Dear friends, in this video, I am going to talk about cultivable shellfish. In this cultivable shellfish, the animal which having shell on its body. The shell is used to protect the body. So the animal which possesses shell is called shellfish. Now let us talk the cultivable shellfishes. In that category, I am going to discuss first the cultivable shrimps. Shrimps, the animal which are living in marine environment is called shrimps. Shrimps are the most widely cultivated species in India. Among edible crustaceans, shrimps are considered as a highly valuable commodity. At present, India is fifth aquaculture production of shrimps in the world. Life cycle of that animal. Usually the adults are in ocean. Spawning is taking place in the ocean. During spawning, the female shed its egg and as well as swim into the water. Fertilization taking place outside the water, so it is outside external fertilization. Similarly, within 12 hours, the laid eggs, fertilized eggs are molted into or hatched into nauplius. Nauplius are 6 stages, and the final nauplia molted into protozoa. Again, protozoa having 3 substages. The final protozoa is molted into mysis. Mysis again having 3 substages, and final mysis stage, substage molted into post larvae. Once we get post larvae, the post larvae is moving from ocean to the estuary, where it is converted into juvenile and adult. The adult is again going back to the ocean. This is the life cycle of this Penates run. Among shrimps, Penates monodon is number one in terms of culture. So this is generally called tiger shrimp, the largest of the marine shrimps. Attains a maximum length of 365 mm and 440 gram in weight. Juveniles and subadults are found in estuaries, backwaters and mangrove areas, while mature adults are caught from the sea. It can tolerate very low salinities, fastest growing, hardy and suitable for aquaculture. Attains maturity at about 200 mm size. Spawning takes place at the depth of between 30 and 60 mm. Fecundities ranging from 2 to 19 lakhs eggs at a size range of 200 to 260 mm. This is the black tiger shrimp or Penates monodon. Why it is called black tiger? Because it is having alternative white and black bands. It is looking like tiger, so it is called tiger shrimp. This is the culture practice of this animal. So this is the harvested Penates monodon. Harvesting is going on. Next one is Penates indicus, commonly known as Indian white shrimp. Distributed from Goa to Kanyakumari on the west coast and throughout the east coast. Maximum size is 230 mm. Juveniles are collected extensively in estuaries, adults found in the sea. Attains maturity at about 130 mm size Spawning takes place in the deeper waters. Fecundity is 6,80,000 to 7,30,000. Sorry, the fecundity is 68,000 and to 73,000 eggs per individual. Penaeus merguensis, banana prawn, actually the Penaeus indigenus, this is the Penaeus indigenus. It is no bands are available, black or white bands only. It is white in color and it is having chromatophores. It is white in color, so it is called white shrimp. Next one is banana merguensis. The banana prawn merguensis has discontinuous and restricted distribution. Found south of Maharashtra to Goa and North Karnataka along the west and in Andhra Pradesh and Orissa on the west coast. Maximum size 240 mm and attains maturity at a size of about 140 mm. On average it produces about 4.5 lakhs eggs per spawning. The juveniles are found in the hatchery, but adults migrate to sea for maturity and spawning. This is the Penaeus merguensis. It is looking like Penaeus monodon. If you are not clear in identification character, you will confuse Penaeus monodon with Penaeus merguensis. Penaeus semisulculatus, commonly called green tiger shrimp because its color is green in color. Found in large quantities in the Gulf of Mannar and Pakpe. Minor fishery exists in Gujarat, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. Juveniles of the species are not found in hatcheries, unlike the other cultivable shrimps of India. The shrimps prefer shallow areas of the sea where luxuriant growth of seagrass is found. Matured at a size of about 130 mm and breed almost throughout the year. So it is looking like Penaeus monodon because it is also having alternative white and green bands. And again, if you are not thorough in identification character of this Penaeus semisulculatus, you will always confuse with the Penaeus monodon. And this is usually found along algae. Whenever the algae actually determine the color of the semisulculatus. If it is associated with red algae, it is looking red color. If it is green, the animal is looking like green. But anyway, it is plenty in Gulf of Mannar in east coast because it is luxuriant growth of algae, seagrass. Seagrass are plenty in Gulf of Mannar, so these animals are available plenty in natural situation of Gulf of Mannar. So this is the next one is cultivable species Litopenaeus vanami, white leg shrimp. In before 1995, India was dominated by Penaeus monodon, and recently, since 2008, this Litopenaeus is dominating. The reason is the Penaeus monodon culture suffered by white spot disease and pollution problem, so that the farmers are seriously looking forward the alternative one. So this Litopenaeus vanami was best alternative, even though it is imported from abroad. It is an exotic species. It is not an Indian species. The culture is very well going on now. We don't know how long it will be because the farmers are nowadays going for higher stocking density. Whenever you go for higher stocking density, you are inviting disease. That's all. This is the these are the 5 species or cultivar species in India. Culture is going on here and there, especially vanami. The culture, among shrimps, now the culture is dominated by this vanami. Thank you very much.